Okay.
Pickering, Benjamin Pickering, gratitude, thank you for the board, and for the conscience that everybody's, thank you, first of all, I just wanted to come here and give gratitude for all the courage and the people that come here and they give their testimony out of truth, really, and knowing their conscience is always let them know that they're honest, and the gratitude for first of all the gratitude of, like, you know, the people that are out there reaching out to people and like, you know, we all live in this world, this little bitty world, and for someone to be treated the way they like to be treated and actually reaching out and treating people, going out of their way to be kind and nice, and gratitude for those people. And everybody that comes here and fights for what is right, I give gratitude for that. And I give you guys gratitude for coming here and listening to our speeches and whatnot, and the gratitude for Machaki, Lee Machaki. Wachaki. For gratitude for fighting, for being honest against my case about my attackers, winning my case for the officers that had brutalized me. I give gratitude for that. And
Stuart Parmenter,
and all the support people and the groups out there for that are supporting, they're making recreations and doing things and trying to help the community, and all the stuff they're putting into, gratitude for that. And some of the protesters that I'm out here with, there are a couple of people here, but people that I've been on the vigil and I've listened to some of these stories and stuff, and their hearts and the way they bleed to you guys, and you know, I feel exactly the level they're on of, like, and the gratitude and the courage to come up here in front of you guys. I mean, even the new people in bringing this stuff forward, people need to become more forward and to be open about knowing that it's okay if anybody's out there and listens to some of this stuff to come forward. It's okay to talk about stuff that needs to be worked with, because a lot of stuff is just, and gratitude for the people that give people courage, and just it's awesome, and thank you for all that. Thank you.